Hello everyone! Today we're taking a short trip north of Dublin to the beautiful coastal town of Skerries, home to one of Ireland's hidden gems, Skerries Mills. If you're into history, scenic views, or just looking for a peaceful spot to explore, this place has something for you. So, what exactly is Skerries Mills? Well, it's a unique heritage site with a history that stretches back over 500 years. The site includes two historic windmills and a watermill, which were all crucial to the local community for centuries. These mills were used to grind grain, not just for the locals, but also for export. In fact, some of the grain milled here was shipped as far as the Caribbean, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. The oldest part of the site is the watermill, which dates back to the early 1500s. Can you imagine? This place has been standing for over half a millennium. Later on, they added two windmills, one of which is a Dutch-style tower mill. These types of mills are quite rare in Ireland, so it's a real treat to see one up close. Nowadays, Skerries Mills is more than just a piece of history. It's a vibrant tourist attraction. The mills have been carefully restored and visitors can take guided tours to see how they worked. The guides do a fantastic job of bringing the history to life, showing you everything from the massive millstones to the intricate gears that kept everything running. Plus, they still demonstrate traditional milling techniques, so you can see firsthand how grain was turned into flour back in the day. After the tour, you can stop by the on-site cafe, which is a lovely spot to relax. They serve delicious baked goods made with flour milled right here at Skerries Mills. It's a nice way to taste a bit of history while enjoying the cozy atmosphere. But there's more to Skerries Mills than just the mills themselves. The site is surrounded by beautiful gardens and walking paths that offer some stunning views of the surrounding countryside and the Irish Sea. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll or snapping some photos, it's a perfect way to unwind and soak in the scenery. So, if you're ever in Dublin and looking for a day trip that's a bit off the beaten path, I highly recommend heading to Skerries and checking out the mills. It's a great mix of history, nature, and a little bit of local culture all rolled into one. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.